Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. As you know, if you clicked on this video, you come to see how to do this hairstyle. I achieved this hairstyle for $22.99. So $22.99 is how much this hairstyle. $22.99 is how I achieved this hairstyle. Ha! But yeah, y'all, this is cute, simple, easy. I love it. Thanks for watching. Y'all, like, comment, and subscribe too. Thank you.
Tell you how a bitch did it. Bring it way back. I'ma start from the beginning when I'm finished. Smoke out.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm about to show y'all how to achieve 2 space buns with some clip-ins extensions. So, right now, this is my natural hair. I feel like it's like, I don't know, is my hair like a 4A, 4B mixture? Or 4C? But the clip-in, I got some clip-in extensions I'm trying to do. You know what I'm saying? Because it's thin as wind, y'all. Like, it's like, can y'all see? It comes to like my boob. So, yeah. Y'all like my makeup? Y'all like it or not? So, I went to the beauty supply yesterday because they was having like this little event or whatever. And, these are called, I didn't know exactly what I was looking for. But I just, you know, picked something up. Clip-in extensions are for natural hair. You know what I'm saying? Natural. And it's called Big Beautiful Clip-in. Y'all, I'm having some time opening this thing. So I'm going to just cut it. I was trying to just like pop it open. But that's kind of hard. And then I just touched my hair so my hands are greasy now. So, I'm going to cut it. Oh, and this is in the color chocolate, y'all. Hold on, let me get closer to the camera because it don't. But yeah. My hair is not chocolate. I'm going to be real with y'all. My hair is like a 1B. My natural hair color is like a 1B, a 2. Like maybe a, yeah. But I'm about to finance it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so y'all, this is what the hair look like outside the package. I'm trying to see if y'all can see. And this hair texture is, oh, it's 4C. This is 4C hair texture. I love 4C hair. It's so cute. As y'all can see, this is not my hair color at all. Y'all see the difference? This is way lighter. But nobody's gonna see my hair. And my hair's dark. And I didn't see like a black. They only had like 2-tone colors. I'm not into that. So this is what you're gonna need, y'all. This is what y'all need. I've been using this comb already. You need a comb, okay? You know how to booty. I like these big old ones. You need some hair scrunchies or ties or something, whatever y'all call them. And I don't know how everybody else do it, but I already didn't like moisturize my hair and stuff. I used coconut oil, castor oil, conditioner, and water, and gel. This cheap gel that I got. Let me show y'all. Now I love me some Eco, but this gel does the job. This gel right here. Y'all, this gel, I picked it up at Walmart because that's my favorite store. And yeah, that's what I did. But I haven't moisturized this part of my hair. Okay, so the first thing you do is you section your hair off. Ooh, y'all heard that? Can y'all see me in this mirror? You section. Don't talk about my parts either, because I ain't trying to be perfect now. Ooh. Ooh, this hurt. I'm tender-headed. Ooh. I thought I could take on my hair. My hair, like, you could detangle it. It's always gonna mad back up. I don't know why my hair does that, but it does it. So, okay, so y'all, I bet this cricket part, this part cricket as hell. And then this is the longest wet, and it's 12 inches. So I'm just gonna, yeah, pop these open. You gotta pop these open. Okay, so the first one, and I'm not putting all these in my head, y'all, because this is too much hair. But I want my stuff to look semi-natural. But I didn't kind of finesse it a little bit. But this is how it look in the back. Can y'all see? This is how it look. But yeah. So, moving forward. It would blend in with my hair like so good. Like, if I had the right color. So then y'all go again. Let me. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Y'all, my hair nappy. Y'all go. And then y'all part your hair. Okay, so this is the 10-inch that they have. I'm pretty sure if you want to, you could cut these. Like, two on each side. So I'm pretty sure you can cut these. I'm in my hair. Starting to be cute. Oh my gosh. This blends pretty good. The texture, not the color, but the texture is on point with my hair texture. I love it. I'm calling you. Okay, y'all, sorry I had a call. I'm back. This is turning out cute. I like this. Oh, yes. Okay, so. And you know what I love about this? This is like a really fixer-upper. Like, get you through the, like, some time. Y'all, can y'all see my tracks? Tell me if y'all can see my tracks. I'm gonna have to ask my mama. Now we're gonna go to this part. Okay. Bald headed, weird headed. Dry. My hair dry. You need spray bottle. Conditioner and water is what I use in my hair. Like, whatever is gonna make your hair. See, I need to redo this one right here. Y'all, if y'all need to just re-snap some on, just do it. You know what? Do it like this, and then like layer up my gel for my hair when I do my space buns. But since I got clip-ins, we're gonna see. like hold this hair back some. Y'all, I think I'm gonna leave like a little dangly out. Hold on. Okay. You just pop it off. I'm gonna just stick one right here. Y'all see I popped it right there. And then here on this side. Okay. And it looked like that. Which is fine, because nobody's gonna see that. And then you just take it, your hair, and then you just wrap it around. Like this. And you could just leave, like, if you want to, because I don't like my buns perfect. You could just leave like a little strand of that out. Like that. Super cute. Now, on to the next side. I'm going to just speed through this one because I kind of just showed y'all, you know, how to do it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so it's now time to do the edges. I don't be doing crazy stuff with my edges. I just do like, this is what I do. Simple. I brush them down like this. Like this. I make them look like not forced. I don't like forced looking edges. I mean, they cute on certain people, but to me, I don't like forced edges. Okay, so. And I take my gel and I just like dab it on each side. It's nothing special, like, at all. And then I do it like this. I just smoothed it like how if you had baby hair, it would just naturally flow, you know? Nothing too forced. And then this is, but wait, okay, hold on, my thing's showing right here. So this is what y'all need to do. Take some bobby pins and pin it down. And then I just take it like this and then just pin it down so they don't see the little clip part. I mean, you could like feel around to see if your clips are showing. And just like take your hair and just pin it down. That's all you gotta do. I just use one bobby pin, literally, on each side. So yeah, this is my hair, y'all. This is how I achieve this look. Childish. I like to wear bows. So I would, you know, if I had something to match this, I would have threw a bow in my hair or something like that. I got these yellow bows, but I'm not gonna do it. Or you could throw some knockers in your hair, you know, like something like this. Some knockers. But I'm just gonna do this simple look because I've been getting told I look like a little kid lately. The disrespect. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.